This is your new kitchen assistant. Grocery planning shouldn't feel like a chore. There's a smarter way to handle your grocery list. With Scan to List, just scan items as you finish them, and they're instantly added to your digital shopping list, even while someone else is doing the shopping. Or have your groceries delivered directly to your door. Food waste happens, but it doesn't have to. With Fridge Focus, an interior camera keeps you connected to what's inside your fresh food drawers, so you never end up with duplicates or let fresh ingredients go to waste. Meal planning doesn't have to be stressful. Give your brain a break and follow simple step-by-step guides with a built-in recipe app. With plenty of recipes to choose from, your next inspired meal is just a tap away. Scan the QR code to learn more about this GE Profile refrigerator.